Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be attempting to drink 20 cups of this. This is a big size, well, quite a big size. Thanks to 20 subs. And let's get started. Just to prove. Okay, now I'm going to fill that more. And I've just had a drink as well, that's right to the top. As you can see, let's go. I really don't feel good. That's so much. One gulp. I've still got loads left. Oh, it's going to my nose. This ain't going to be 20 cups. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. I already had a bit of a can of Coke. One down. Two to go. Well, 19 to go. Oh, I'll see when I've refilled it. Hi guys, okay, we're back. I've filled it up, as you can probably see, probably not. And I've set the camera. Really not feeling too good, but let's go. Oh no. This is going to be my 20 sub special probably, unless I get some cherries or something. Shout out to Kate Kelly for giving me this idea. Subscribe to him. Oh God. Oh. Oh my god. Nearly downed it. I don't want to tip any. Oh, flipping hell. It's just going to be a bourbon video. Let's carry on. Two cups. Oh, let's fill a bit more. That's actually quite a lot in there, look. It probably doesn't look like anything.